Moving car to another state. Read this. Moving states could be a monotonous task when you have assets that are state-specific, like a vehicle. Moving a car is a hectic thing to do and comes with a tremendous number of rules and regulations. Try to find a minimum of 3 best companies that are reliable and got good reviews. These will provide you quality service within a price range owing to their large clientele. Compare the quotes of various car transport companies on the idea of cost, service, and security to get the best and decide which one you want to go for. After deciding, book your shipment by telling them the car's details like the brand and model. Decide your pickup location and drop location, moving dates, and share delivery zip codes. During the picking up process, the carrier will thoroughly check if your car has any irregularities or dents and provides you with a bill of landing. At delivery, confirm that your car arrived in the best state and doesn't have any damage and pay the bill, concluding this transfer process. Selecting a car transfer company for moving your car is a far better option considering the amount of time and energy it saves. That's why we are here to help. Give us a call today at 888-231-0113.